So, when it comes to teaching ni Zuwit sa aming mga bootcampers, no, when it comes to skills and soft skills, I can say na talagang clear ang pagturo ni Zuwit. Lalo doon sa teacher ko. He's one of the best, no. Tinuruan kami from the basics ng HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and pagdating sa back-end, yung Node.js, Express.js, and the database, which is the MongoDB, and for the full stack, which is yung React.js. No?
Actually, what I can suggest for other people as well, not just for me, it's because the feeling of overwhelming is just the first part of learning something new. So, once you surpass na that feeling is, yan, tuloy-tuloy na yan.
So, mas pinadali kasi nung teacher ko yung pag-approach nung mga codes namin. Kaya mas nag-enjoy kami lahat nun sa batch namin.
Napaka-beginner friendly ng curriculum ng Zuwit. Coming from me, na wala talaga, zero background talaga when it comes to web development and coding, I can guarantee talaga na napaka-beginner friendly. Like, tuturuan ka talaga from pinaka-basic at fundamental para maintindihan mo kung para saan nga ba itong code na to, para saan syntax na to. And also, the good thing about the instructor as well is very knowledgeable sila on how to teach it in a very basic way na hindi siya magiging complicated for zero knowledge like me.
Yun yung naisip ko din na parang I need a little push din. Kasi pag self-study, hindi siya structured eh. Parang depende lang kung ano yung gusto mo. Tapos parang nung nag-try na ako mag-Zuwit, parang everyday, ganitong time, mag-aaral ka, magko-collaborate ka with your groupmates. Tapos parang mas ma-enhance yung skills mo.
May direction ka na. Kaya, so the feeling of overwhelm is just part of learning. The learning process pala.
Make a lot of research, no? Lalo na sa mga katulad ko na career shifter nga. It takes a lot of courage to jump from one career to another, no? If you're gonna join, you need to study a lot. Hindi kasi madali. It's not gonna be easy. And I can say na hindi para sa lahat ng pag-aaral ng web development. Because if you're really interested and want to take a leap, no? Zuwit is one of the best bootcamp here in the Philippines, and they will teach you a lot, not just about the codes, no, but how to handle problems, making those big problems to smaller ones.